Picture us rolling in a roadshow. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing all my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and I am back with another banger. Okay, everybody wants to know how I make my lash strips look like lash extensions. You know, I've been wanting to make this video for a while. I'm gonna let y'all know how you really get the lash extensions, because you know, sometimes we don't always want to pay to get your lash extensions. Like, that's a big maintenance you gotta keep doing. Like, I would say every week, maybe a week and a half. But yeah, you definitely have to have the coins, constantly fill them in, because once they starts falling out, you look crazy. So this is definitely the video for the girls who, you know, want to achieve that lash extension look, but really with strip lashes. Okay, I do want to apologize with my disgusting fingers, like my nails. I actually took my nails out the other day. Y'all know when y'all take y'all nails out, it just look weird, right? So that's just gonna have to be the case until I get my nails done. I'm planning on going to get like a manicure in a few more hours. It's currently 3:45, so I'm like trying to hurry up with this video because I need my nails done. Like, this is disgusting. What you would need to achieve your lash extensions: you would need a pair of tweezers, you need scissors, lash curler. This is the main ingredient. Like, this is what you really need. Your lash glue. I know y'all finna come at me with the comments, but you know, like the glue, the black glue that everybody use for their lashes, I don't use that anymore. I literally use lace glue. I don't know if I'm the first one to do it, but this is literally like my secret to really like get my lashes to stick on, because I don't know, I feel like the black glue just was so messy, and I don't know, it was burning my eyes. I don't know, and it wasn't really sticking. So I'm using the Ghost Bond. I also use the what's the other glue name? I don't know, I forgot the name of the glue, but I'll put that as a voiceover or put it on the side of the clip. And most importantly, what you would need, your lashes. And these are my lashes that I use, but I'm sure a lot of people sell these type of lashes. I'm not really in a position to sell it right now, but I don't know, let me know what y'all think. Should I sell lashes? I don't know. Need your mirror, a lash curler, some scissors, tweezers, a lash glue, and your lashes. Those are what you would need to achieve this look. First, what I like to do, buy long flared out lashes. These lashes look very flared out and long and stuff like that, and they actually have like a little curve to it, which is pretty good. But yeah, these lashes are long and it's flared. You don't want your lashes to be too thick, so make sure the lashes is like thin, because we're gonna double it. That's the whole point. So you don't want your lashes to already be like doubled. And then, I mean, I don't know, maybe, I guess maybe it works. I don't know, I haven't tried it. But I'm gonna take my lashes to see which one I want. I think I'm gonna go for this side. So I'm gonna take one pair and then the other pair, and this is what you want to do. Since I'm doubling these lashes because I want it to be very like full, you want to take two of your lashes and you want to stick it with each other just like that. Y'all, please don't come for me with my nails. Like, I already know. Okay, did y'all see? Just do that. Just stick it together. Y'all should know how to stick your lashes, right? I don't put glue to stick my lashes because when it sticks on the board, like on the actual pan, it already has like this adhesive, so that's what I use. And then whenever I go in with my glue, I guess that's what like seals it. So I don't need to put any glue to stick it, by the way. What you want to do is just put it together, just like that. Another one for your other eye. All right, we're gonna stick these together. Y'all, I'm like trying to hurry up because I need to get my nails done. I don't want the nail salon to close. This is stuck together as well. So now we have two lashes. So this is going to be for my right eyes, and I like to put it right here. And then this is going to be for my left eye, and I like to put it on my left hand side. So now the next thing you want to do is measure out your lashes to see if your lashes fits. So I'm gonna put it here, because sometimes eyelashes be a little bit too long for us. Okay, so they fit on me, which is perfect. So we don't really need our scissors. Well, I don't need my scissors, but if your lashes extends too long, you can always go ahead and cut it. I recommend to cut it at the end. But the next step you want to do is take your lash curler, and this is the important part. So you want to take your lashes and you want to take your lash curler, and you want to curl your lashes before you put your lashes on. So this is how you would want to curl your lashes. You put the lash curler. Oh my god, my hands is no baby. Take your lashes again, and then you want to, oh, wrong one. Okay, so take your lashes and then you want to curl it. So you want to do this. You won't be able to fit all the whole entire lashes on the lash curler, so you're gonna have to kind of do it by sections. So I'm going by the end, and I'm basically curling it like this. You want to curl it from the very root, like the very root of the track. So you want to crimp it about like 5 times. I'll be doing like 5 times. I don't know if y'all could see, like it just started to curl a little bit. Then I like to go towards the end. So go all the way in the beginning. I say in the beginning, all the way by the track, and you want to just crimp it by like 5-6 times. And then you want to go all the way to the very edge, like the ending of the lashes, and you want to move your, like this, you want to move your lash curler like all the way up like that. You do lash extensions, your lashes are very, very curly, so this is the point of it. I don't know if y'all could tell the difference, but this side look curly and then this side look like regular. That on the other side, and then go up to the edges and then curl it. So I'm gonna compare. I don't know if you guys could see. Oh, okay, good. This is a great comparison. Okay, so this is the lashes that I curled, and then this is the regular one. Could y'all see the difference? It's literally a difference. Let me go up close and personal. It's a difference. This one look way more curled than this look like regular. Regular. And I'm not here for the regular, because like, no. Do I look regular to you? What? The start of the lashes, and then go towards the end, and then you want to move your hand up and then drag it up, drag it up, drag it up. Just curl your lashes. I don't really know how to explain it, but just curl it. go all the way from the root and then crimp it. About like, I crimp it a lot, I'm not gonna lie. And then I move up to the end of the lashes and I just curl it. Crazy kind of. Okay, so now you can tell that both of these lashes look the same now. You see? They look the same. And that's how you achieve that lash extension type look. So now I'm going to take my my lash glue. So I'm taking my tweezers. Some people don't use tweezers, but I use tweezers. I don't know how y'all are able to use like apply your lashes without tweezers. Like, I'm just not a pro. Like I'm just not that girl. I'm not that girl. I can't get it. I have to have my tweezers. Like, if I don't have my tweezers, like, I'm not putting lashes on. Like, that's how bad it is. Okay, so take your lashes and your glue, and you want to apply just like regular. Oh, put it too much. So just put a little bit. And y'all, this thing really sticks. So if I like for the glue to hang out for a little bit, I would say about like a minute or two. It could get tacky, and then I go ahead and apply. Oh, and you also need mascara. So I like to apply mascara before I apply my foundation, my lashes. Oh, come on, Kat. Why did you? Oh my God, why did I do that? Yeah, I'm gonna let those things chill for a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So my lashes has been sitting for about like a minute or two. And this is how it's gonna look. It should turn kind of clear to know that it's dry, but sometimes it don't turn clear. It would just still be white, but it won't show white because it's gonna dry eventually. So like I said, I take my mascara and I put mascara before I apply my lashes. If you don't already have mascara, make sure you apply that before, and then you know, you want to just apply your lashes. I don't really know how to teach y'all how to apply lashes. All I do is just look down. Like, I take my mirror and I put it below my chin in a way, and then I just look up. Another thing that I like to do that helps me apply my lashes, I apply the glue on the lash strip, and then I go ahead and apply the glue on my eyelid, and I kind of like slide it. So now I have glue on my lashes. So I'm gonna let this dry. So whenever this dry, the lashes just sticks on it, because sometimes I don't got the time. Like, when the lashes just be acting dumb, I don't have the time. Yeah, you can't tell me this don't look like lash extensions. Like, I wear lash extensions and it definitely looks like this. So you want to just let it dry for a couple minutes, and yeah. Hey guys, so I applied my lashes. I was having a little difficulty, but I got it on. So yeah, this is how you achieve strip lashes, but really make them look like extension lashes. And if you also want to go ahead and recurl them, you could also go ahead and, like, you know, curl it a little bit more if you want. You could curl it as more curls if you want. And I think that's the real reason why I use lace glue, is because if you use any type of glue, well, I wouldn't say any type of glue, but I guess the hair glue, and you try to go ahead and curl it, it's gonna come off. So you need something a little bit more stronger than your typical lash glue. Yeah, but comment down below if you guys have any like lash glue recommendation. I want the glue where you can like apply it on your lid, and then all you gotta do is just stick your lashes on. Like, I need something simple. I just don't know where to get those type of lashes from. I mean, those glue from. But if you guys have any glue recommendation, comment down below so I could go ahead and pick it up. So I don't gotta use like hair stuff no more, because that's just the ghetto. But yeah, you can't tell me this don't look like lash extensions, boo. Like, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned. No, you guys could definitely make this your own way and everything. So yeah, I think that's really it with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. If you guys want to get the full details with my makeup, I will link that above there somewhere, so you guys could go ahead and watch it, or I'll leave everything down in the description. And I think that's really it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.